Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can configure AI agent access and usage limits in Enterprise Search. This is our Enterprise Search dashboard. First, click on your profile and select Settings. On the left, click on AI Agents. Here we can configure access and usage limits. First, we have access control. Currently, it is set to all users. We can change it to specific users and groups. Simply click on this and then click on Select Users. Here we can type the name of the user or the email address, or we can select a user from the list. For example, let's select Tim. Below that, we have usage settings. The first option is the daily query limit per user, which is set to 50. We can click on this dropdown and pick any of the available options. Let's set it to 100. Next, we can see the monthly query limit per user, which is set to 500. We can click on this dropdown and choose any available option. Let's set it to unlimited. Once all the changes are made, simply click on Save Changes. The changes are saved. That's how you can easily configure AI agent access and usage limits in Enterprise Search. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.